First, we are going to open a GitHub account and then create a repository. Then copy the repository URL and open vscode. Create a folder named Git on the desktop, add the folder to vscode, and then open the vscode terminal. Navigate to the Git folder and type the command. Next, create a sample PHP page with some sample PHP code. Go to the terminal and type, then followed by your commit message inside quotes. After that, type the command. By entering your username and password, we push our changes to GitHub. Finally, we go to GitHub and look inside the repository. Our changes and commits are there. Then we go to VS Code and create a branch. Check out to the new branch using the command. We then modify the branch, add, and commit our changes. When we go back to the main branch, our changes are not working because we have not merged our changes with the main branch. To do that, pull GitHub's latest changes using and then enter the command. Finally, the main branch is merged with the new branch. If we have any conflicts, we solve them, add, commit, and then push to GitHub. That's all the workflow we regularly use. Hope you all understood. Once you have made your changes, it's time to push them to GitHub. First, ensure you are on the correct branch. Then, use the git push command to upload your changes to the remote repository. This makes your updates available for others to see and use. Remember, pushing your changes is a crucial step in collaborative projects. To create a new branch, use the git branch command followed by the name of your new branch. To switch to this new branch, use the git checkout command. Alternatively, you can use git checkout B to create and switch to a new branch in one step. Working on a new branch allows you to develop features or fix bugs without affecting the main code base. When you modify files on your branch, remember to stage your changes using git add. After staging, commit your changes with a meaningful message using git commit. Once your work is complete and tested, you can merge your branch back into the main branch using git merge. Merging combines your changes with the main code base, ensuring that your updates are integrated. Sometimes merging branches can result in conflicts. These conflicts occur when changes in different branches overlap. To resolve merge conflicts, manually edit the conflicting files to keep the desired changes. After resolving conflicts, commit the resolved files. Finally, push the merged changes to the remote repository using git push. This ensures that the latest updates are shared with the team.